he has been quieted dramatically. And what up? What up? What up? What's going on, everybody? What is going on, y'all? I am so excited, man. Y'all forgive me for being late. Babies were having a little problem this morning, guys. Listen, I am so excited about today, guys. Man, it's gonna be a lot going on today. A lot going on today, guys. And man, you got to keep your ears to the ground. Excuse me, and your nose, man, to the air, man, because listen, if you miss out on what's going on today, it's going to be crazy. Guys, thank you guys for joining Option Nerds Podcast. I'm your host, Holly Mays. Listen, guys, I just want to put out a couple of disclaimers if you don't mind. Y'all pretty much know how this goes. Listen, we are not financial investors. This is for edutainment only, so please, please, please do your due diligence and research, okay? Guys, we're here to give you guys as much information as possible so that you can create general wealth in your generational wealth in your household. Guys, let's get into it, guys. Before we do anything, I want you guys to take a look at Redbox. Listen, I am looking at Redbox today. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and put this on my companies to watch really quick. I'm not looking at anything else. I'm actually looking at Redbox. So I'm going to put that on there. Boom. All right, cool. So, guys, we're going to get right into it. Before we do anything, man, you guys make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please go to Option Nerds Podcast on YouTube. Invite your friends, family, everybody. I need you to put the thumbs up, okay? Click that thumbs up button. Click the like button. Subscribe, guys. Kind of makes the algorithms go yay, and they like what we're doing, guys. So please make sure you guys subscribe and you guys hit that like button. Let's get into the plays, guys. What am I seeing this morning, guys? So we when I woke up this morning, I saw the market and it was a little green, but it was a low green, and then it dipped into a low red. So when you start seeing that, guys, that means that you're going to get extreme volatility within the market. What that oftentimes means you're going to get a little dip when the market opens up, and then boom, it's going to go skyrocket. Now, I haven't talked about the VIX shit. I'm not talking about the VIX shit, but I'm just kind of looking at everything. I'm on investing.com, just kind of looking at everything and looking and seeing things. And right now, the Dow is down 59. The S&P is down 12, and the NASDAQ is down 56. What that means is, now, guys, let me say this: we want to start with a lower opening. Okay. Oh well, Mays, why does that make sense? Because if it's a lower opening, then that means we normally, historically, we get a little pop in the morning. Okay. So in your big cap stocks, you normally get like a little pop early in the morning. So I'm excited about the way this is coming in, because it's right at that level to where it can recover and we can start seeing some good movement this morning. The VIX is at 2470, not an area I like to see the VIX. But if that thing can stay under 25 and can start dipping towards $24, I'm good with that. Okay, I'm good with that. Right now, y'all know what I'm holding. I'm holding Tesla. I'm holding SPY. I got a 217 call in SPY. I have a 790 call in Tesla. I'm also holding Campbell Soup, Pfizer. I got a put in Pfizer, and I am holding Oxy. So, guys, those are my plays that I'm in currently going into this morning. So you kind of know what I'm looking like. Now, let's kind of get into the plays of the day, guys. What am I looking at? First, let's talk about earnings, guys. Let's talk about earnings. If you go to the charts right now, you're going to see NIO going absolutely bananas. I mean, NIO is going absolutely bonkers, guys. Why is it going bonkers? Because they just had earnings. Okay, so listen, let's go look at NIO right now at the pre-market, guys. And guys, do me a favor. When you guys get up, man, I appreciate you guys coming on the show, but make sure you guys check out what's going on, so at least you guys know kind of where we at. So right now in the pre-market, get this now, NIO is only down $1.60. So they're not just going crazy. However, I look for NIO to go crazy today. So it is one of my plays to watch along with Redbox. Please, I'm telling you right now, you might want to keep your nose to the ground on this one. Okay, but NIO has its earnings. I'm not looking at it right now, so I don't know if they did good or bad. I can't imagine them doing horrible. NIO is still a big player in the EV market, just overseas, but it's still a huge play in the big market right now. So take a look at that, guys. Earnings today. Document DocuSign. Listen, I got in DocuSign yesterday, and DocuSign did pretty good yesterday. But their earnings don't come till after the market closed today. So does Fuel Cell. Fuel Cell, listen, guys, let me give you a little game on Fuel Cell. I'm actually with Fuel Cell, I'm going to buy shares. Fuel Cell is only like $4 a share. So I may buy 100 shares just to wait for this to get a really good pop. I'm probably not going to mess with an option play on this because I just don't want to lose that type of money. If I'm going to lose $20, let me lose $20 because I own the company. I don't want to lose $20 because I'm trying to do a put and a call in a company that's really just haven't had a lot of movement, guys. So if they do well, great. I'm not going to put a big investment in it. I may not even do 100 shares. I may go 50 shares. Just saying. But DocuSign, I am going to be looking at. I'm definitely number one play today is going to be, besides Tesla, is going to be NIO. I'm going to look at NIO, and I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of the other EV components like Ford, GM, some of these other guys that are in the EV market start to move as well because NIO they have their earnings. Because guys, let me say this to you: when people have their earnings, that means their evaluation goes up or down. So I'll give you an example. If Tesla has their earnings and all of a sudden they have great earnings, well, that's telling investors, guess what? Buy us. We're profitable. We're a company that's going to be here and we're sustainable. All right. Whereas if it goes down, they're saying, whoa, hey, what's going on? There's uncertainty with what you got going on. I don't know if you're a profitable company, at least for the quarter. So with that being said, see, I see Tesla coming down right now. It's at 741.90. Had a big pop over the stock, but UBS up stock to buy. So that's huge. I'll get into that in a minute when I'm talking about my Tesla plays. I got Jim Cramer on here talking about Tesla, but I'm telling you today, Tesla's probably going to go to about 760. It's probably going to go to about 760 today. But anyway, guys, that's my take on the earnings. Be patient. We'll talk about that with the voice of reason thought for the day. But be patient, guys. Be patient. All right. I'm looking at NIO. I'm going to examine DocuSign, and I'm going to basically kind of, see what I can get out of Fuel Cell. I'm not doing a lot. If you look at the auto market right now, just speaking of Tesla, Ford is down 52.52%. General Motors is down 50.50%. Tesla is up, I think, 2.47%. Then you have the rest of the guys going down, NIO and all those guys. So pay attention to what's going on, guys. It's going to be an interesting day in the auto market today. Guys, let's get into the plays. Looking at AMD, guys, right now, currently. AMD, let's go to the charts. All right, AMD right now, guys. Advanced Micro Devices. People ask me all the time, what does AMD stand for? Advanced Micro Devices. Guys, don't know the ticker symbol and don't know the actual name of the company, okay? But right now they're down $3.38 in the pre-market, which is about 3% to the negative side. Guys, we got on here a negative 101. I'm sorry. Negative 101. If it's at 101 or below, guys, I'm probably going to look at a put. I'm not going to stay long, but I am going to look at a put, guys. That thing jumps because of expectations of earnings this evening. Guess what? I'm going to jump in it when it gets to about 102.75, 102.85. It's a slow ticker. All right. It's a slow ticker. Anybody been dealing with that? AMD? No. AMD can pop, but it ain't popping crazy. All right. So, man, Tesla's going crazy. It's up $19 right now in the pre-market, $7.45. Just wanted to give you guys a little insight so y'all know your boy know what he's talking about. Do me a favor, guys. If you're just now joining this, I need you to like this. I need you to give me the thumbs up, all right, on my Instagram page. And if you're joining us on Facebook or our groups or anywhere else, guys, I need you to comment. Bring your questions, man. We love questions. We love questions, all right? All right, cool. I'll post them right here. Okay, cool. All right, let's get back to the game. All right, but again, AMD right now is coming in at 101.34. It's down about 56.56%. I do look at it to be a good put option today. I got out of my Ford call, by the way. Somebody just texted me and said, "Oh, you still in your Ford call?" No, I got out of it. Ford is down 13% over the year. Even though I was up, I saw it start going down because the Tesla starts going up. People start trying to fight it, and I did not want to have to deal with that long term. I may get back in it, but I'm not going to get in it right now, okay? Until I see a little upside on that market, okay? AMD again, guys. If it goes lower than 101, maybe go to 190, 95, see a brief pullback, let it hit some resistance, and then if it comes back under that 101, I am, I'll jump back in, guys. Tesla ignited, guys. That's what the word is on CNBC because of China-made car sales. They go skyrocket. We haven't heard a lot from China sales in Tesla, and let me tell you something: the world loves it, guys. Let's get to the next company, guys. Let's go to FedEx, guys. FedEx, I love FedEx, guys. I stayed in it as long as I could yesterday. Yeah, I stayed in as long as I could, but right now FedEx coming into the pre-market is at 216.10. It's basically down 1%. Again, guys, you see the numbers right here: 219.65. Probably looking at putting in a call. 216.75 to the downside. Probably looking at putting in the put. Right now it's at 216.10. I'm not going to jump in this until about 8:45, 9 o'clock. And the reason why is I want to see what the market is going to do. I want to see if it's going to ride a certain wave and go up. I want to see if it's going to ride the CPI, expected information waves. I want to see if it's going to ride jobless claims wave and go to the upside. If it doesn't and it starts staying there around 9 o'clock, I may go ahead and put a put in. I may let it run from 216.75 all the way down to maybe 215, 214. Then I'll probably take profits and get out of there for the rest of the day, okay? But that FedEx, guys, it ended yesterday at 217, down 4%, down $4 or about almost 2%. So, guys, hey, it's on the downtrend, so just pay attention to that. Guys, IBM, my God, you know what? I tried to hang with IBM yesterday, but I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it. International Business Machines, guys. It came in yesterday down about $2, $1.95 at $140.83, which is down about 1%. But it's coming in this morning at 140.50, okay, which is down 0.33 cent or 0.23%. I expect IBM to go lower. I don't expect IBM to go lower this morning. I just expect once that 9 o'clock comes and everything kind of evens out, I think IBM is going to be on the downtrend. So that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a put option in IBM at least until it goes to 138, 139. But as soon as it hits 140, this is one I think I can feel safe in and just go ahead and hit it once it hit 140, 139.80, and then go on down. Now, if it pops up, then great. I'm at 142.05. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a call in, guys. But again, I'm going to go about 5 to 10% is really what I'm looking at. Anything over that is gravy. Okay, guys, set your stop losses. I'm notorious for not setting my stop losses. The reason why is because I'm watching it. But if you're at work and you're not watching it, guys, you need to set your stop losses. Okay, quit losing money you don't have to lose. I'm word to myself. All right. And finally, guys, I'm looking at Coke, guys. I'm looking at Coke. Now listen. Shout out to that boy, Chart Zaddy, over there at Chris Shane Discord. He shot this play out. I'm not a Coke fan, but Coke is up in the pre-market. Right now, it's currently up to $63. It ended yesterday at $62.89, which is about 0.57% lower. But right now, it's up 11 cents, and it's up 0.17% in the pre-market. So I can look at it. I'm looking at it, but it's still got to hit that 63.21 mark until I see it hit 63.25, 63.30. Probably not going to mess with it. So I'm just going to be watching Coke today and just kind of see what we get out of there. Guys, again, Tesla is what I'm looking at, guys. Roblox. They must going to blow up today or something. Redbox is what I'm looking at today, guys, and also NEO. Redbox is what I'm looking at right now. The futures, S&P 500 is minus 17. You got the Dow at 99, and let me make sure I got these numbers right. Somebody can believe, well, hold on. The S&P 500 is at minus 19. The NASDAQ is at 82.75, and the Dow is currently at negative 105. So, guys, we're coming in at a slower moment, but I'm telling you, it's going to be a great day. Listen, voice of reasons, words for the day, guys. Before I get out of here, the first one is boom. Stay patient, be ready to move. Okay. The next one, guys, be mindful and take what the market gives you. Don't try to do extra today. Okay. We don't know really what we got. We don't have no extraordinary companies going into earnings today. So, hey, you may not get a lot of help. Don't overspend. Don't underbuy. Okay. If you need to put money somewhere, make sure you know where you're putting your money at. Okay. Don't put it in something just because it got a big name. Okay. It can bite you in the butt. Trust me. It is what it is. If it's red, it's red. Yesterday, midday around 11:30, guess what? The market went red. It is that. It stayed red. So, guys, you got about 8:30 till about 10:30, 11 to make a decision if the market is going up. But also, if the market is going down, you may be getting a little pop. So be mindful of that, guys. All right? Hey, guys, listen, man. We thank you guys for joining us each and every morning, man, on Option Nerds Podcast. Listen. This information will set you right, man, and save your life, man. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit likes, man. Make sure you guys comment if you have any questions or concerns. Guess what? I will hit you back. Love you guys with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go. And do me a favor. Make the rest of your day the best of your day. I'm out of here, y'all. Love y'all. Peace.